Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how you might be able to play Pokemon games on your school iPad in 2025 using a web browser method. Let's jump right in. First, open up the browser on your school iPad. Navigate to the website emulatorgames.net. Once the site loads, look for the search bar usually located near the top. In the search bar, type the Pokemon game you're interested in. The example reference mentions searching for Pokemon Go game, but you can search for classic titles. Hit search. It will show you different Pokemon games options available on the site. Choose the specific game version that you want to play from the results. After choosing the game, you should see a button labeled Save Game. Go ahead and click that. Now actually play it. You might need to scroll down the page a bit. Look for an option or button that says Run Game. Click the Run Game button. You should see the game start loading up directly in your browser. It might take a few moments. And just like that, it should be easy for you to start playing the game. In this one, way you might be able to play Pokemon on your school iPad. Keep in mind, school network rules might affect access. And thanks for watching this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides like this one. I'll see you in the next one.